What's going on, everybody? Look, I just finished a great live with Godly Mindset Coffee and Markets for you guys this morning, but I forgot to do three things: SPY, QQQ, and IWM, our daily technical analysis on these tickers. So we just had GDP data come out today, and we saw the market start to pull back. Of course, VIX did shoot up to about $19.25, but right now we're seeing SPY actually catch some support at 592. Here's some TA for you guys on SPY, QQQ, and IWM. Remember, this is not financial advice. All right, so looking at SPY right now, we caught some support around 591.64. If we lose that 591.64 today, that is going to be an entry point for puts. Your target price is going to be 590.73. All right. NVIDIA likely will bring SPY back up, but if we're looking for call option entry and we want to be secure in this, 592.78 is a good opportunity to start watching it. I wouldn't say enter a call at this particular point. I really would like to see SPY above 593.02. Looks like we're going to have a bit of a struggle bus at that level. And then our target price is going to be 594.64 for a big breakout on SPY. The pullback from GDP has created a good buying opportunity for swings on SPY. But of course, we're seeing a lot of it selling off right now intraday from the highs of about 598.31. ES and the S&P index were running overnight with the news from NVIDIA, but we're seeing a lot of pullback at the moment short term. So just be on the lookout for or expectancy for just a lot of volatility this morning because of the gross domestic product number that was released today. 591 again is your put option entry. Now, if we do decide to push back up, like I said, for calls earlier, I would just be a little bit more comfortable if we were above that 593 area. And then, of course, we could possibly even revisit 594, maybe even up to 598. I would love to see this thing go above 598.40. So get ready for those swing trades on SPY as well. Let's take a quick look at QQQ. QQQ, of course, is tech sector related to the NASDAQ. GDP has caused this thing to pull back intraday, but we caught some support around the 50 EMA. If we happen to lose 525.08, that would be my entry point for puts with the target price of 524.22. Looking at call option entry right at 526.70 with a target price of 528.85. Okay, we need to be above that level. Also, we need to break 530.84 to start to really run, which means that NVIDIA is probably getting closer to 150 at that point. But right now, again, we did drop with the GDP information, so we're only going to be moving based on what we see the Mag 7 do today on QQQ. And lastly, our Russell 2000 ETF ticker symbol IWM. It's currently sitting at 206. It has support right here at 206.33. If we lose that 206.33, your target price is going to be about 205.38 to the downside. I would actually look at 206.33 as my put option entry point. And I actually would not take calls on this thing until it breaks 207.49 because there could be some bounces here. I need to clear out some alerts. There could be some bounces here to the upside that may be sporadic, but just to take liquidity. So just be very careful on these particular ETFs. Again, I just had to circle back real quick and tell you guys this is the TA that we missed today, and I want to make sure that you have it. If you want to get more TA like this live each and every day, join us in the Red E Society. This is my Discord community where you can come and lock in with friends. Of course, we always keep God first. It's holy ground. It's not profanity there, but you can also come in and learn for free education, and then the mentorships, which are not included this year. I happen to do it for free for members only, but you can lock in with that as well in the future, right? This is going to give you complete exposure to me and how I roll. But until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you have a wonderful day. And as always, remember to keep God first and secure the bag. See you tomorrow.